Which foldable device would be better for gaming? The Huawei Mate X or the Samsung Galaxy Fold? Let's find out. My mind is literally blown right now. Gaming on the Huawei Mate X is absolutely stunning. Say you're in public playing a video game in phone mode, and then you unfold it and continue playing that game. Boom! Absolutely stunning. The people around are gonna be like, what in the world is that? But on the Galaxy Fold, you can't transition like that. Yes, you can play a video game in phone mode and continue playing it in tablet mode, but it's an inward folding mechanism. It's not going to be as seamless as it is on the Huawei. Besides, you wouldn't want to play a video game in phone mode on the Galaxy Fold. It's just a meager 4.6-inch display, as opposed to the 6.6-inch display on the Huawei. But when gaming in tablet mode, it's just as amazing and immersive as it is on the Huawei. Some people might prefer the bigger 8-inch display on the Huawei, while some might prefer the smaller 7.3-inch display on the Galaxy Fold. I for one prefer the form factor and design of the Galaxy Fold, but when it comes to gaming, the Huawei takes the cake, hands down, because of the continuity and ease of transitioning from tablet to phone and phone to tablet. In that regard, the Mate X is better, but in everything else, I would still pick the Galaxy Fold. Do let me know in the comment section below which of these would you prefer gaming on, and which do you prefer in general. That being said, please subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech updates like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release another video. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.